Hello and welcome to my channel, Mary Bourne, ND, and Gardening with Granny. And today I want to talk about week 4 of the Pantry Challenge and a Costco haul. And I realized that the Pantry Challenge is don't go to the grocery store unless you absolutely have to. And I was planning on doing some grocery shopping the first part of February. And then my husband said there might be a strike of the employees of Costco February 1st. So I thought, I don't really want to chance it. There are some things that I get at Costco that I am really running low on. And I thought, well, it's as close as it's going to get to February. So I want to go over some of the things that I got at Costco. Um, I use celery in just about every dish that I make. Uh, Celery and onions are a basic for me. And I was totally out of the frozen celery that I had created or preserved. And I was one stalk of fresh. And so I do allow myself a certain budget for fresh food like milk and eggs and um, things that I can't preserve, basically. I can preserve eggs, but that's emergency only. So I needed celery, I needed cream, I needed some fresh fruit. So I got some grapes. I needed some fresh veggies. So I got some avocados, potatoes, broccoli, spinach, bok choy, and I was really running low on the olive oil. So I bought olive oil, and the accumulation of all the groceries was about $165. And I will be having another uh, butcher box delivery in February and early February. And then I go 3 months again. So I did need some ground beef, and I like the organic beef from Costco. I also love when I'm not doing the organic chicken, I like to get the rotisserie chicken. I mean, that's such a good deal, $4.99 for chicken. And you'll see in the attached videos that I used part of that chicken for dinner that night. I took both of the breasts and set them aside in the refrigerator. So obviously I stripped the whole chicken and put all the bones in my Instant Pot with onions and celery, and I made a broth. And I show you I made 2.5 quarts of broth, and part of that I used for the dinner that night. So all in all, $165 was a pretty good deal because you got meat in there and you've got butter and you've got some expensive items. Now, I did not include the containers. We bought some containers that were on sale. We bought some batteries that were on sale. Um, Not on sale, I'm sorry, we needed. And I think all in all that I'm still within the boundaries I made for myself for the Three Rivers Pantry Challenge. Now, this is going to be the last of the videos that I will video my meal making, even though I will still continue to uh, use up what I have preserved and um, do it in a rotation. It is, if you never tried to video and then edit and put it all together and make it look halfway decent, you have no idea the work that goes into it. I applaud those people who do this on a daily basis. Uh, it's incredible the amount of time it takes. They either have better technological skills than me or or they stay up and don't sleep. So basically, I want to thank you for sticking with me during the 4 weeks of the challenge. And there will be other videos. I have more seed starting videos. I've already started the seed starting with the plastic bag and paper towel method. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it in the description below. But until next year, when we do the pantry challenge again, I'm done with the pantry challenge recording of it anyway. I am so blessed that I have been able to do it this year, that I have the health to do it. Last year was a real challenge because of my health. And I am going into a season that is going to be interesting. And I have no idea what my garden is going to be like. So come along with me and we'll meet these challenges together. And until next time, this is Mary Bourne for the Health of It.